Attachments in AutoCorrect and Quick Parts. Have you ever wondered how to do this? To make an attachment in AutoCorrect, that's for under 50 words, or Quick Parts over 50 words, use a calendar appointment. This will allow you to select the attachments and the words together. Yes, open a new calendar appointment, drag the attachment or attachments into the appointment, drag or type the words below the attachments, and then with your cursor, select the words and attachments or press Ctrl A for all. Now click Insert, Quick Parts, click the down arrow, and save selection to Quick Part Gallery. Name the Quick Part. To use the Quick Part, open an email with the cursor in the email body. Click Insert, Quick Parts, and choose. Creating an AutoCorrect with the attachments is similar to Quick Parts with attachments. So this time, open a new appointment, drag the attachment or attachments into the body, then type the words underneath, and then select Ctrl A, click File, Options, Mail, spelling and AutoCorrect, AutoCorrect Options. Next, type the first word of the sentence and double the last letter. This will make it easy to remember what your keyword is. You'll notice that the attachment is referred to as Embedded Outlook File Attachment. At this point, click Add, OK, OK, and OK. To use this AutoCorrect, open an email and place your cursor in the body. Type the first word and double the last letter and press the space bar. Your attachments should be in the email with your words that are under 50 words. If it didn't work, don't worry, call us and we'll walk you through it. Save time, live your passion.